Hi children, this is YN Suvarnalakshmi working as School Assistant Physical Science ZPHS Kottapet, Uppal Mandal, Medchal District. Children, in this session we are going to learn about reflection of sound, echo, reverberation and daily life applications of reflection of multiple reflection of sounds. Do sound get reflected at the surface of a solid like light waves? So let us find out, do really sound waves get reflected? For this we have to demonstrate a little activity. For this activity we need two long identical tubes or pipes and a clock. So take two long identical tubes and place them on a table. Draw the angles as shown in the video, and place a scale exactly on the 90 degrees, that is the normal of this, right. Then place two tubes on either side, and at one end of the tube you keep the clock, and on the other end of the tube pipe you can hear the voice of the clock, that is tick tick sound. You can clearly listen the reflected sound of watch from the other end of the tube. Now adjust the clock to some more angle and you can hear the exact reflected sound on the other end by making the same angles. So sound the reflection of sound follows the same laws as the reflection of light. When sound is reflected, that is the direction in which the sound is incident and reflected, make equal angles with the normal to the reflecting surface. What happens if you lift your tube slightly above the table? Are able to listen to the sound? If not, why? You will not be able to hear the clock sound voice clearly if you lift the pipe. Think about the planes of the tube carrying incident sound and reflected sound. What will happen to these planes if we lift one of the pipes? If you lift one of the pipes, then the pipe carrying incident sound and the pipe carrying reflected sound will not be in the same plane. Hence, we cannot hear a clear sound. Repeat the experiment by placing flat objects of different materials like steel and plastic trays, a cardboard, a tray drop with cloth, etc. against the wall and observe the changes in sound. Do hard surfaces reflect sound better than soft ones? As you have seen in the second part of this activity, the reflection of sound is depend on the reflecting surface. Generally, hard surfaces reflect sound better than soft surfaces. But unlike light, which is reflected well only from highly polished surfaces, but sound reflects quite well from rough surfaces as well. This is the only difference from the reflection of sound and light. For example, an unplastered brick wall will reflect sound quite well. So students, this is about all the reflection of sound. So reflection of sound also resembles like the reflection of light. It also follows the same laws of reflection of light, that is the incident sound, angle of incident sound and is equal to the angle of reflected sound, and incident sound wave ray and the normal and the reflected sound ray, these three lie in the same plane. Okay children, in the next video we'll know about the echo and reverberation. Thank you children.